If you've recently lost a loved one and someone told you the estate has to go through probate, you're probably wondering what that actually means and what you're supposed to do next. Probate can feel confusing at first, especially when real estate is involved, but it's really just a legal process designed to transfer assets properly and protect everyone involved. Many families suddenly become responsible for handling an estate and aren't sure what probate actually is or why it's required. A common assumption is that assets automatically transfer to heirs after someone passes away, but in most cases, there's a legal process that has to happen first. The uncertainty of the process can create stress, delays, and sometimes family disagreements. In simple terms, probate is the court-supervised process of transferring a person's assets after death. The court validates the will if there is one, appoints a personal representative, ensures that debts and taxes are handled, and then allows the remaining assets to be distributed to the heirs. In Florida, probate creates a clear legal path so that banks, title companies, and buyers know that the person handling the estate has the authority to act. In many estates, real estate is the largest asset. One of the biggest mistakes I see executors make is waiting too long to understand the options for the property. Getting clarity early on, value, timing, and next steps can help avoid unnecessary holding costs like insurance, association fees, taxes, and maintenance. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that I am not an attorney and I am not giving legal advice. This video is for educational purposes only, and you should always consult with a qualified probate attorney about your specific situation. If you're going through probate in South Florida and want a simple explanation of how the real estate side works, please reach out to me anytime. And if you'd like more straightforward videos explaining Florida probate, just click below to like and subscribe. And please share this video with anyone who may find it helpful. Thanks, and God bless.